Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, not only has it been confirmed that an individual has stated that they have paid for an illegal cremation, but that the site has been located and that law enforcement is currently looking into the matter. Now, as it pertains to justice for Donald Lee Donaldson, and if you agree, drop a like on the video and of course a comment in the comment section. Dr. Love is stating that the investigators have had a meeting I held a meeting with members of law enforcement who are allegedly owners of funeral homes. Maybe I can hear what one that will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Somebody calling Andre Page the other night and said something, and I've got confirmation. Yes, it is correct. It is not an incorrect statement. Somebody calling Andre Page, I think it was this week, and said that the hospital in the mark, they are working with the funeral home and they are collecting money. Yes, it is not a lie, it is the truth. The take on this whole thing about funeral homes in Jamaica who are defending themselves about illegal of cremation. Right? Funeral homes in Jamaica have to understand this. It's not just one funeral home in Jamaica. It's doing cremation. There's a lot of them. We have over 100 odd funeral home in Jamaica, and a lot of them are doing illegal cremation, and cremation have to be done a certain way, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of these people are not following the rules or the preparation of cremation. Week before last, they call a meeting where they're asking police officer to declare all the police officers that own funeral home to give information, because they did not want the information get out there that these police officers are owning funeral homes and are doing illegal activity. Right? Meeting was called. I want to hear the government come and say, boy, there was no meeting ever called. We never call no meeting for the police officer to come declare what they have. That's a lie. Because the minute they come and declare that, then the information, the legit information, then we are going to know who a lie. If we a lie, or the police a lie. So waiting for them to come and say, boy, that's a lie. We never have a meeting. We never have any meeting for any police to declare what they have. Right? Waiting for that, because the minute they say that, here's the information right here. You guys, this is the time the meeting was. This is the headquarters where it was, where the meeting held about this. You understand what I'm saying? Their funeral home. There's funeral home, like down at the big one down there, so now call the name, right? Coming on and put nobody on that bus. The big one, you know the big one where people in the life go? That one time people dead in their mark, everybody had them connect with them call whichever particular funeral home for come, and then do whatever they do, everybody collect their money. So people that dead now becomes a money making thing. Right? I will inbox. Whatever, right? If you have your loved one that passed away, it becomes a money-making thing where they're making a lot of money, and the funeral home are paying people that work in the mark to give them information, right? And that's how they make money. So they're making money off of you when you're alive, and they're making money off of you when you're dead. You understand what I'm saying? So either way, this money I've been making. And my thing is, I don't know what can the government come and say about it when they are involved in a lot of this. Can the government come and say, well, we have did an investigation, and after we did the investigation, we found out that this funeral home are not doing this illegal cremation. Then the government will be telling a lie, and they will not giving the correct information, because it has been going on for a number of years, and nobody have brought it to the public attention or bring it up. So therefore, they're doing it and getting away with it. And then when a lot of them get caught, or their name have been called or whatever it is, then everybody wants to defend themselves to say that they're not doing the act, which a lot of them are doing the act. Here's the thing. If you are not doing cremation, you should not have anything called cremation on your website unless you put other information under it saying that, listen, I don't do the cremation, but we have a funeral home that one on. Right? I am pretty sure that they're doing some other illegal thing to carry out the act of cremation on a deceased person. And a lot of them are doing these things and getting away with it because.
No, truth be told, this has turned into some sort of a business, and this has been long speculated that funerals, based on the high levels of crime and violence, has turned into a big business. And it is similar across the world, but especially in third world countries, where, as we know, crime and violence is a sort of daily occurrence. It is not surprising that the owners of these establishments have created a sort of link or a bond with individuals at the state morgue to facilitate the growth of their business. Now, as it pertains to members of law enforcement owning funeral homes, what do you think about that? Some would say just a business and an individual are investing in our business. Nothing wrong with that. One thing for sure though, there must be justice for Donnelly Daniels and her family. Not only has this case exposed the faults in the system, but also that there are illegal cremations being carried out on the island. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now, of course, the individuals involved in the collision have not been named or identified. But what has been confirmed is that there is a major multi-vehicle accident in Trelawney. But based on the photos already circulating social media, yo, I want everyone to realize, say, on a day-to-day basis, when in a crime and violence, I take the lives of the people, and the people I take the lives of other citizens on the roadways. And in a situation, sometimes taking the lives of themselves and even their loved ones. The people need to exercise some caution upon the road. I know it's hard to tell you, don't drive fast when the car mart I sell you a fast car. But think about your life. Think about the lives of your loved ones. Think about the other individuals when they're on the road with you. People that drive them car like them forget say these are man-made machines and difficulties can reach you even while you didn't have it to your car alright. You cannot speed. And when you decide say you're gonna break up, you're gonna ease up. Break, failure. Where you feel like it gonna happen? Would it be then wise to consider some caution? And not bother go that hard? What people sometimes obviously fail to remember is that years of experience, driving skill, sometimes will not benefit you when a collision is about to happen, or when you already go too fast and your car experience mechanical difficulty. Think about it. No matter how much years of experience you have, unless you have years of experience in an accident, and that would be something strange, that means say, yo, you have been in numerous collisions. So that's not gonna be the case. So no matter how you feel like you're a skilled driver, you drive from your youth, you speed in the guard and something happened to your car, your experience now can't help nobody. Casualties are what gonna take place for your failure. No, investigators are still investigating this incident, so we don't know exactly what took place. Who is at fault? Somebody has to be at fault though. Vehicles without drivers not crashing on themselves. Somebody have to drive one of the vehicles. So, another tragedy on the roadways. And it's speeding on one of the cars of this collision. Then they're going to tell us, say, yo, this is also another incident that could have been avoided. And them already are confirmed, say, multiple deaths. So lives have been lost. multiple deaths, multiple injuries, serious injuries. You can look on the bus based on the sign of the impact. There are even people overseas who I say, anytime them return to the island and up on the island, when them a drive on the road, even driving on the road now is a whole thing within itself. You have to wonder if you get to your destination. As soon as somebody starts accelerating, I say, yo, I just said reach. As soon as they're in a vehicle with somebody on the island and them start to accelerate, people say almost like if I tell them such, ease up. Because when we overseas and we all look on the media, all we see is accident after accident. And it's almost like the people now learn. Keep in mind, overseas are almost the same thing. Can't tell you say at least every night or every other night, you can look to see some pile up on the highway and some form of collision. People need to exercise some caution though. And need to ease up off of this whole heap of speeding. Yeah, we know some whole heap of fast car, some whole heap of luxury car dep on the island now. You name it, it dep on the island now. That no means a time for the speed. And nobody tell you about years of experience while driving. Because I found I drive some like a small car. And now I drive some Benz. And I never. But I tell you about no years of experience while driving. I found I grow up I drive some like a regular car. And now I drive some bigger vehicle. Bigger engine. We now have the experience now. The amount of power that these cars now have. Some people just don't know how to drive. Some people, as them say, panic easily. Exercise some caution when they're on the road. If you're new to the channel, just pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion, the comment section up me 24/7. Never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can contain the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, of course, want to live, love, and prosper. Want to stay tuned.